What's up, Team DMS? It's Damasterstylist, and I am back with another video. If you guys can see, the background is different because my salon is finalized. I will show you guys some pictures at the end of this video, but right now let's get into this. So I'm starting off using the Nairobi, I forgot what it's called. Sorry, y'all saw it on the screen. But it's a porosity control, so it just evens out the porosity on the hair. And I like to use this before relaxer services so that the hair, you know, it's not breaking. Because people always ask, well, how is she able to get relaxer in color? Because we take care of the hair before and after we do the relaxer. So for her sides, I'm just slapping it on her sides because the sides was very, very curly, if I'm gonna say. And then I did all of the sides first, and then I go back and I do the top. Y'all see the salon back there? It's giving. Okay, y'all comment below, let me know how y'all like it or whatever. And I am using Nairobi relaxer as well, and this is the regular strength. She could use super, but because she has color treated hair, I don't really use super on that. But yeah, y'all know April, she be in a lot of my videos, and April got some curly hair. We gonna say curly, okay, because all hair's good hair. Now we getting started with our main glaze, and you know you can grab that at mainlifestudio.com. Emulsify it in your hands really well. This is edited, but you definitely want to make sure you emulsify it really well and just put it in the hair. She was like telling me to keep going because it felt good, but just making sure you get it in the hair. I did give her a deep condition, and we freshened up her color after her relaxer because she needed some TLC. She hasn't been in regularly like she used to, so I got to get that hair back right. So for some reason everyone has been requesting lines, so I've been giving lines. And I'm using my Babyliss Pro trimmer. I do have it linked in my Amazon store. Go ahead and grab you one. I actually love it. I'm not a barber, so I did not adjust it or anything. It's literally cutting the way it cuts out the box. Barbers, you know, adjust it, and I'm sure it'll cut like butter, but I'm not a barber, so this works for me.
Team DMS.
So now I am going in and just touching up her cut. She hasn't had it cut in a while. Well, yeah, not really like cut. We've been doing some little trimming her in. So for this style, it's a very short pixie. We actually could have went a little bit shorter, but I didn't know how she was feeling. So I stuck it safe. Some of y'all might say this is still too short for you, but this is definitely not short for me.
Team DMS.
Okay, so I have been using this flat iron in a lot of my videos, but I really haven't talked about it. You guys asked, and I kind of just really wasn't answering because it didn't have a name at the time. It was just a flat iron that I was testing. So this is our new Main Life Studio 310 flat iron. It is very, very small. So it's smaller than the one we had before, thinner. It's still a 3/10, but it's thinner. The plates on ours is going to be black, so it'll be all black instead of the yellow plates. But baby, do you see, baby? So you guys can pre-order that flat iron today for $79.99. It will ship in August. I don't have an exact date. And then the regular price will be $129.99. So if you pre-order, you get it for a great discount, okay? And that's at mainlifestudio.com as well. And anyway, I'm going in and just combing out her curls a little bit, you know, and putting my Damasterstylist touches on it. I'm just going to go over her hairline with the main glaze, and that's going to allow it to lay down and not move while she sleeps at night. You can also get that at mainlifestudio.com. Finishing up with Kenra 25 spray. I have that linked in the Amazon, my Amazon store below. And next, I'm going to show you guys the finished look of my salon. This is the dryer area. I'll try to put in before and after. This is the area. This is one of the working stations. We have partitions in the middle with curtains, so that each person will have like some privacy. And this is our waiting area. All right, guys, so if you like this video, stay tuned for the full video of my party that I had, and make sure you like this video. See you again.